Yeah.
They could use some of the rain that we got last night. Well, that was
Oh, yeah.
nice.
Yes.
To get. It was very loud.
Yes.
And I know it did some damage, but
It did.
on the whole, still good to get some rain.
Yeah, it's always nice to get some rain, especially here in central Oklahoma. We really needed it. We could still use some more.
And we might get some more, huh?
That's exactly the case. We still have plenty more chances to see some rain. So if you weren't one of the lucky few late last night and early this morning, there are still more chances to come. Storm Shield 9 showing some scattered showers and storms out there right now. The thunderstorms, though, are more so taking place now in far eastern, southeastern Oklahoma. And then we do have just some plain scattered showers right now in parts of south central Oklahoma, mainly just south of Oklahoma City. We just had a couple of showers now popping up around Osage County. But for the most part, everyone's seeing a lot of clouds right now, with the exception of a couple of scattered showers. No lightning associated with these storms at this time. We've got some showers right around Shawnee. Those are all moving south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour. They have been moving pretty slowly, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do get some localized flooding around Shawnee and Tecumseh. We've got that rain on the west sides of Payne moving into Lindsay. It looks pretty heavy at times, so just be prepared for some more rain as we go throughout the afternoon. It's going to be very hit and miss as we go throughout the day. It wasn't very hit and miss late last night for central Oklahoma. You can see where all the rain fell. So over the past 24 hours with that storm complex that moved through, we did end up with a little bit over an inch here in Oklahoma City. So where does that put us for the month so far? Well, we've now had a little over 2.5 inches, and normally by this time we should end up with 2.48. So we are actually above normal for the month in Oklahoma City so far. So far, so good. We've got a lot of clouds out there. This is our American Fidelity camera from our Air Comfort Skycam network. It's definitely warm, 77 degrees, but it's not hot, and it's not expected to be overly hot as we go throughout the day today because of all the clouds and the rain that we did have. It's 85 degrees in Edmond, 83 in Jones, 86 in Sealing, and 83 in Weatherford. So you can see where most of that rain fell, and the rain still continues to fall. That's where our cooler temperatures are. 82 in Stillwater, 88 degrees in Tulsa, 92 in McAllister, and 87 degrees out in Woodward. This is what the dew points look like. It's still very humid outside. We have a dew point of 73 in Stillwater and 73 in McAllister. Low 70s are very popular, so after you factor it in, it already feels like 100 degrees in McAllister and 102 right now in Durant. Those numbers will not be backing off over the next few days. The heat dome has shifted to the west, and with that being said, we've got more pieces of energy moving through the flow and allowing for some nothing really organized, but at least some scattered showers and storms pop up throughout the afternoon and evening. This is our future cast. We're going to move it through time, and it shows you that whatever we do get is going to be very scattered in nature late this afternoon and evening. Now, overnight tonight, it looks like things start to become a lot more quiet. I think we're still have a lot of clouds around, but as far as the rain is concerned, the better chances will be this afternoon and evening. So for today, keeping at least a moderate chance for parts of central and eastern Oklahoma. And then temperatures today, they're not going to be hot, but it's still going to be very warm. We're looking for highs in the upper 80s. Now, it will be hot in some locations. I'm still looking for the mid to upper 90s out far west and the mid 90s out to the east and far southern Oklahoma. But for the rest of us, it's not going to be quite as hot. Overnight tonight, we're going to keep the clouds around. It should be dry, though, with temperatures dropping down into the low to mid 70s. Overnight tonight, just a very slight chance of showers and storms in parts of central and eastern Oklahoma. Tomorrow, temperatures will be just a little bit warmer. This time around, we're looking for the upper 80s to the low to mid 90s. And then by tomorrow afternoon, same story. We're going to have a slight to moderate chance here in central Oklahoma. Better chances will stay in eastern Oklahoma. So over the next couple of days, keeping at least a slight chance of showers and storms in the forecast. In fact, we're going to keep that going all the way until we get to about early next week. Temperatures, they're going to start to be warming up a lot more. So right now, it's really not all too bad. It's not oppressive. It's definitely warm. It is definitely muggy. We've got a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. The good news is we have a good chance of seeing some showers and storms. So those of you that missed out late last night, early this morning, you still have more chances later on.